Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's video, I am going to explain a topic called Java programming language. And as you know, what is a Java programming language? Java programming language is a language through which we can write the program on the computer and we can access the program of the computer on the computer. So now in this video I am going to explain you the small things about the Java programming. But before we start the Java programming, I want to explain the basic concepts of Java programming and which methodology the Java follows. So Java follows a methodology called object-oriented programming. Okay, so Java uses a programming methodology or concept, you can say, that object-oriented programming. And what is the object-oriented programming? Now, divide this in the focus on the first part, that is object. What is the object? Okay, object is nothing, but whatever you see around you is all are the objects. Okay, whatever you around you are the objects, like you, me, tables, chairs, fan, buses, trucks, cars, cycle, bike, everything what we are seeing, what we are viewing right now is the object. Move from here. Okay, just move your head around you. Okay, so whatever you see is the object. Okay, so a programming which is based on the objects, based on the humans, or based on the common things, so this one is called object-oriented programming. Object-oriented means towards the object. Okay, so this programming is done taking care of the objects, that means real worlds. Okay, the things which is present in the real world, so that we have to keep in mind the real world things in order to explain, in order to write the program. So therefore this object oriented programming is also called real world programming. Okay, it is also called real world programming. And why it is called real world programming? Because it is based on the real world things. Okay, the second thing, so suppose there are two common objects what you are every day you meet, like your friends. Okay, so your friends, whether they may be boy or girl. Okay, your friends may be boy or the girl. Okay, so these two are the objects. Obviously, I already told you that everything we are watching is the object. So this one is object. Okay, now if I combine, थोड़ा सा हम बायोलॉजी की तरफ चलते हैं. Okay, so अगर इन दोनों को कॉमनली हम बोलना चाहें तो क्या बोल सकते हैं? They are humans. Okay, so humans. Okay, so human and the boy or girl, man or woman. Okay, male or female, whatever you want to say. Okay, but if I say boy, I am indirectly indicating to the humans, and if I say girl, also I am indicating to the humans. But we be specific. Okay, we call it boy or girl. Like अगर हम बोले देखो तो कितना अच्छा ह्यूमन जा रहा है, सो that will not make a differentiate whether it is a boy or girl. Okay, but if I say boy or girl, men or women, gentlemen and ladies, okay, so that is be specific. आपको पता चल रहा है कि what I am indicating, किसको हम बोल रहे हैं, men को बोल रहे हैं, man को बोल रहे हैं या woman को बोल रहे हैं, okay, boy को बोल रहे हैं या फिर girl को बोल रहे हैं. So this means boy is also a part of human and girl is also a part of human. Okay, so this human is known as a specific term in the Java programming language called class. Okay, so human is the class and the boy and girls are the object which belongs to the human. That means these objects belongs to a particular class. Objects belongs to a particular class. Like in a classroom, there are collection of different objects like boys and girls, students you can say, table and chairs, blackboard, chalk, duster, teacher, table, fans, windows, doors, all these things are the object, and that when we combine these, when we collect these objects in a class, in a place, in a boundary wall, or you can say bound together, if the objects are bound together, that makes a class. So indirectly we can say a class is a collection of objects. And what is the object? Objects are the entity of a class. Okay, or in a simple words you can say the objects are the anything which we are seeing around us. So I am going to write the definition for these two, the simple definitions. That is, what is a class and what are the objects. Okay, so objects are the anythings around us. And classes are the collection of objects. Okay, so I am going to bind up this video with this class and objects. In next video I will come with the more concepts of object-oriented programming, which is essential for class, for the further classes, this class also and the next class also. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.